Hi guys, let's get into this Sweetie Nail Supply haul. I'm just going to remind you I've got a full house at this time, so you're definitely going to hear stuff in the background. It's just my family enjoying some time together, and I'm not going to stop them, nor am I going to stop my hauls with you guys. So let's get into some stuff. Oh, you know what, guys? The first that I'm looking at, this was a boo-boo. This was kind of like, no, not kind of. I made a mistake. I guess I put this in my cart twice. I guess I'm going to keep it. I'm kind of bummed by that because it was like $19, I think. And it's not like I got the same nail color twice. That I would definitely be totally fine with, actually. You know, but I got the same brush in my last haul. So here she is, the number 9 long liner. Where can we get you a good view? Yeah, there you go. I have video of it in my last video of it being used. So actually, I'll just put that video up in the cards so you can see that. So what we have here, boy, they're really being rowdy today. That's mostly my daughter, I think. So, oh, and this was another purchase, but I think that I know that this is something I'll use. This is the matte. Is this the, yeah, this is the Zero Matte top coat. And I have this, I got it in my last Sweetie haul, and I'm just going to keep it because it works fantastic. It is a great matte for just being matte, but also for isolating, what am I trying to say? Isolating chrome. So I'm glad to have it. And also I just checked this morning on the Sweetie website and it is sold out. So I can tell it's popular. And I think because of Boxing Day and everything, when they had 25% off, people purchased a lot of it. So, okay, so I'm going to put this one aside since we've already got it, and I'm not going to open it because, you know, at the moment I just don't need 2 of those brushes open. So, I have here in front of me some interesting stuff. I'm excited about this. So these are going to be additions to my Doi collection. I believe these are the last 4 that I need. Hold on, let me zoom you in some more. Give me a minute. Sorry about that. Okay, so yes, these are the last 4 that I needed, the last 4 colors that I needed for my Doi collection. I believe now I do have the whole collection. I will be swatching these for you in a minute. Let me get through the other things and we'll get right back to swatches. And then I think I'll swatch this one too on the side. So okay, so this one, when I looked at it, it's just an embo gel. So, you know, the kind of gel that you use for 3D. Look at me trying to use a spatula when I have a knife right in front of me. This one is just, you know, 3D non-wipe sculpting gel. However, I think I really liked the color of this one. So it's cashmere. It's supposed to be like a pearlized light pink. And I'm definitely going to swatch it for you guys on the box. I'll come back to that. I also got a second of these Holy Kumi gels. You can correct me if I'm wrong. I definitely want to know how to pronounce it. I have another one of these. It's more like a brown. This one is a yellow. I'm probably going to have to open a seal. Yep, I'll probably open that seal in a minute. So we're just going to go through the stuff so I can show you, and then I'll do some swatching for you and show you the texture and stuff. Then this one interested me because this is a kind of like a pearlized embo gel. This one's supposed to be more on the pink side, but this is supposed to be like regular white pearl embo gel. So basically you can customize your own pearls on a nail. Would I need that since I have a million of every single color pearl at the moment and shape and size? Probably not. Probably no, I don't need this. But I just thought it was the coolest thing that you could make your own pearls. Isn't that neat? Yeah. Okay, so let me stop here. Let me get my swatch sticks out and everything so I can show you all the swatches. And then I'm probably going to end the video after that. So I just want to say to you all, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you and enjoy the swatches.